Meet your major. Fine arts. Painting, sculpture, video, metalwork, performance, and installation. Want to explore and find the medium that best suits your creative voice? Fine arts might be the major for you.
As a fine arts major, you'll learn just what it takes to launch a successful career as a practicing studio artist, educator, and professional. You'll also have access to studio and lab spaces for printmaking, ceramics, metal shop, wood shop, and digital fabrication, and your very own studio space during your junior and senior years. Grace Nettie, fine arts major, says, "I really wanted to go to a college located in a city with a large museum culture, as that is the career I want to go into. More is perfect, right in the museum district. I can walk a couple blocks and look at paintings I've learned about in my art history classes."
With a dynamic curriculum taught by working artists in well-equipped drawing, painting, and printmaking facilities, the fine arts major will prepare you for a successful career in the field. Asa Goto, fine arts faculty, says, "Fine arts is a good fit for individuals who are curious, open-minded, and self-motivated. Regardless of the high school courses they've taken and the technical skills they've developed prior to college, students who arrive with these particular qualities end up engaging with our curriculum in a deep and meaningful way."
Fine arts students get to take classes like Idea Lab, drawing as a contemporary practice, image-making strategies, and digital tools. You'll get to experiment and create with cutting-edge tools in dedicated spaces for ceramics, printmaking, welding, casting, metal shop, wood shop, and digital fabrication.
Plus, every student gets a $1,000 paid internship between their junior and senior years, an opportunity that could turn into the first big step of your career. After graduation, your talent and skills will be in high demand. Fine arts alumni have gone on to lend their creative talents and skills to a wide range of organizations and cultural institutions. Logan Cryer, Fine Arts More alum, says, "Having professors who are engaged in the local arts community made a huge difference. Through their example and assistance, I was able to work for galleries, nonprofits, and community groups before I even graduated." Ready to meet your major and learn more about fine arts at Moore? Visit moore.edu/FA or contact our admissions office today.